Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Bon Voyage Badge in Bunnytale. To start your journey, first find Benny and chat with him. He will give you a coin. Then, seek out Harry, who needs help with his smoky chimney. You'll need to climb some boxes near Benny to reach the top and press a button to clear the smoke. Your next task involves helping Alex. He lost his toy bunny in the forest, so venture there to find it and return it to him. Afterward, visit Joe, whose house is unwell. Use the coin Benny gave you to buy a delicious carrot cake, then feed it to Joe's house to restore its health. Once you have successfully completed all the tasks for your fellow bunnies, it's time for a royal visit. Make your way to the Grand Castle. Inside, you will find King Uni, who is waiting to acknowledge your heroic deeds. He will congratulate you for saving the entire town. Upon meeting King Uni and receiving his thanks, the "You saved the town" ending will automatically play out. This special ending is the key to unlocking your desired reward. Immediately after this sequence, you will be granted the prestigious Bon Voyage Badge, marking your successful adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.